In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with high-level calendars. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a seamless integration up and running. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Calendly's website. It's a user-friendly platform designed to make scheduling appointments simple and efficient. If you haven't visited before, don't worry. Just open your browser and type in calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it and sign in using your account credentials if you don't have an account yet. Take a moment to create one by following their easy sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your scheduling needs. From here, look out for the option that says Integrations and Apps. This is where the magic of connecting various tools to enhance your productivity happens. Click on the Integrations and Apps option to proceed to the next steps. In the Integrations section, there's a world of possibilities. But for today's task, we are specifically interested in integrating with Google Calendar. To make this quick and easy, use the search bar and type in Google. This will filter the integration options and bring Google Calendar right to the forefront. Once you see it, click on Google Calendar. Now, connecting Calendly to your Google Calendar will allow your events and schedules to sync automatically, eliminating the hassle of manually transferring or comparing appointments. This integration is a powerful tool for keeping all your schedules in one place, ensuring you never miss a beat. Follow the prompts that appear when you select the integration. These will guide you through the authorization process. Typically, you'll need to allow permission for Calendly to access your Google Calendar. But remember, this step is essential for seamless synchronization. After completing these steps, the integration will be set, and Calendly will begin syncing with your Google Calendar. This synchronization ensures that your appointments and availability are consistently updated, making your scheduling more efficient and accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with Google Calendar, paving the way for a more streamlined scheduling experience. Remember, if you ever need to manage or update the integration, just revisit the Integrations section on your Calendly dashboard. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to explore more integrations and features within Calendly to further enhance your scheduling workflow. Until next time, happy scheduling!